All right, welcome back to this video. In this video, you're going to learn properly how to do business name reservation. All right, so what you're going to do is at your web browser, you log in, you type pre.cac.gov.ng. Okay, so you have that. All right, so once the page loads in, it comes up. So this time around, you want to concentrate on logging in. So you click login, and it will load up the page and ask you to supply your login details, whether you need to use username, phone number, application number. So I'm going to use email address. So the email address that we have supplied is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to prove to the computer that I am not a robot. Alright, fine. So I'll submit. Alright, so once you submit, you have this welcome back page. Alright, so you log in with your password. Already my password has been saved. So I'm logging in. So here we are. Now, for us to do the business name reservation properly, we would like to select this option, which is new name reservation. Alright, let me just highlight it. New name reservation. Okay, so once that is done, you click on it. New name reservation. Because you want to reserve the business name. Alright, so this is how it will look like. Let me just repeat. So you can see the steps: name and type of the company, the objectives, the preview, and the payment. Okay, so what is the company type? Simply take the classification. It's a business name. Right. So what's the specific type of business name? Sole proprietorship, if you want to run a one-man business, or a partnership where you have partners. So for this purpose, we are taking sole proprietor. Right. So what are the proposed names? Remember we had name, which is value for value. We had value for value digital solutions limited. All right, it doesn't like short name. All right, let me just take it out. Solutions, value for value digital solutions. So you take the second option. You might like to repeat that with a different just a slight modification. So let's say value for value um, digital premium solutions, premium services. All right, so let's take services. All right, so once you're done, you save and continue. So what's the reason for the availability search? As you can see, you change of name, no. So for this case, we are having a new incorporation or new registration. All right, so let's go with the nature of business category. All right, for this, we have a lot of those. Okay, so let me see. I think it goes with education or services, professional scientific technical services. All right, so you go through and select the best that fits in the nature of your business. Okay, so let's go with this. So we'll go to the specific nature. So specific nature. So this wouldn't go. Uh, all right, let's say other service. Let's select this. Okay, advertisement, film, mm, sales, mobile phones. Okay, so let's go with others. So, in since that is done, additional remarks. So, I would love to put in business development service provision, um, project management, project management, and digital trainings, digital trainings, and consulting. All right, so that's that for me. So save and continue. All right, so you can see we have the summary. So now, if you are actually working for the client, so you may have to send this page to the client to review, to preview, and before you go and effect payment. All right, so this is fine. So I go with save. Now this is the payments page which you have to generate the remitter. Okay, so you have to generate the remitter. So this is cool for me. So the remitter is being generated. So let's hold on a bit. And the reservation of name is usually 500 naira. But at the end of the day, because of other sundry charges, right, you might end up paying up to 661 naira, thereabout, less than 700 naira. So let the remitter generate. So I may have to pause this video. I wouldn't know how long it will take for the remitter to be through.